Hi everyone, it's Ginny again, and I'm back now to work on making something out of these components that I pulled out of an old mouse, or actually two old mice. So this is going to be pretty basic, but I don't know how long it's going to take, so I will say now that I'm going to fast forward, but if it doesn't take all that long, then I won't. Either way, I hope you enjoy watching me do this, and I'll get going. I'm going to try hot glue, but I'm not too sure if that's going to work on the plastic. So I've got some different, some different types of glue. There's a clear glue, it's called lock stick bond. It sticks a lot of things that other glues won't stick. And there's another one that's a flexible adhesive for vinyl and plastic, so I'll try them. So I'll start with this one because this is the one that I got the most inspiration from. So now this is going to be pretty basic, but let's see. How did I do this? Well, it must be that way. It fit on there before, okay. Alright, I'll just sort of wait for the glue to heat up. What else will I do? I need a bit of this cordage. Yeah, it's going to come off. No, no good. Alright, so I'll give up on that. I thought I remembered from trying it on plastic before that it didn't work, but I suppose I needed to be 100% sure by trying. Memory, this works better if you leave it for a while and you put it on both sides. So I'll do that, and I'll fiddle about with something else. Oops, sorry, I missed a bit because it switched off. I've just gone and got a bottle cap and a jar cap, and I'm just cutting this off, which is proving a bit difficult. I might need to ask hubby, who has much stronger hands. Back in a sec. Okay, that's where hubbies are useful. We couldn't cut it because he said it's tempered steel, so we squashed it with a hammer. So I basically just want that to stick there. So this should be ready now. Let's stick this together. Oops. That's going to take a while to dry. probably guess what I'm doing. Now that's sharp, that's not good. Let's try and curl that under. So we don't want sharp edges. Not that anyone else is going to be touching it, it'll just be me. Actually, I could probably, yeah, look, I snapped it off. Pish posh, what does hubby know? It's going to break there if I'm not careful. This is good because it's got a plastic coating on it, so it's not super cold. Alright, let's try this again now with this. Oops, so no, look that way. Yeah, that way, so there. Oh, the glue came splodging out. Alright, so I want more of these, don't I? This one. I'll make them the same length so that I've got the same amount of length to deal with roughly. Don't have a lot of things, do I? Not a lot to play with. That's alright, that's a challenge. There we go, that'll work there. So, assuming this is working, yeah. Stay on. Stay on. I think I'll cover you with tape so you don't come off or are sharp edges. This one's really difficult. I'm going to have to hold it, I think. I might switch off until the glue is set. might leave the rest of those there. Now what I was thinking of doing is putting some of these back on this side because I think they look good, but those holes are too big now. I was thinking of putting them through there. That's not going to work. Well, I could just stick them on. I'll do that. Some other little doodad pieces and just stick them around. Because I like it. Something blue, that's pretty. A little wheel. That's really nice. Doesn't come off though. No, it's stuck together. Little tiny baby cradle. I'm crazy. Crazy. I don't know, I just want things stuck all over the front of this. And I could have left them on the back, but I like this side better because it's green, my favourite colour. And I like the silver bits from the soldering where they've soldered the metal bits together. I think it looks pretty. It's pretty. Alright, let's stick all this down while that's drying. I'll do the other one. It's pretty warm in here at the moment, so I'm finding these smaller little metal pieces aren't cold, which is good. I do like that piece. It's really unusual key-shaped thing. Find something good to do with that, hopefully. Alright, let's glue this. I got so excited when I opened the first mouse this morning and saw these things in here and pulled them out, and my husband was watching me and was laughing. And I'm like, oh yay, I can make a with it. And he said, yeah, you could too. So that's what I'm doing, but I'm not telling you what it is, but I'm sure if you haven't guessed already, you will fairly soon. Oop! Fling! Now, I put that there so it's kind of matchy-matchy, since I don't have another one of its kind. I think I will. I don't normally like things to be symmetrical, but this I think will work. It's got to look a little bit pretty. Pretty. Ish. Whoa. Do you know what I'm loving? When I hold this up and the light shines on it, these lines here reflect the light. Oh, that looks really nice. I love that colour of those, of that green there. I'm not real keen on this green here. The green of those lines there is gorgeous, especially when it's reflected in the light. It's like a bluish metallic green. Really nice. Alright, get over that and get on with this. Where can I put this? I don't know. I might leave that to dry and work on this one. Dusty bits. So we start all of this pulling apart process again. I don't know how to work this. That looked like it worked pretty good. Yeah, that's the one. It's not long enough. Oh jeez. Tea went everywhere. Mostly in my shoes. Great. That's all right. Easy enough to clean up when you have lots of paper towel around. Okay, all fixed. Now back to this. This one a few strands of copper. Oh, that one's a lot. Shorter. cool. I like that. Where's the other piece? Similar device. It's fascinating. Like a little tire with funny things in it. I don't know if you can see that. Also got these little rubber bits in there. It's funny, like little rubber fingers. Yeah. Oh, sticky stuff. Another thing that looks like a chair. If you can see that. Anyway, it's getting very late, so I better pack up for the night.